Want your soup to stay steaming hot until lunch without babying a bulky thermos? Stick around, because the right jar changes everything. And the wrong one, well, it turns noodles into sadness. Here's what matters. Today's countdown goes from 4 to 1, testing heat retention, leak resistance, lid usability, spoon quality, mouth width, portability, and real-world convenience like prying it open after a commute and cleaning chili from the threads. Yep, the small stuff that makes a daily difference.
Number 4. ENERGIFY Vacuum Insulated Food Jar. On paper, it checks the essentials. Stainless steel build, BPA-free, wide mouth, folding spoon in the lid, and an insulated cap that doubles as a bowl. Solid lunch kit. In one piece, you know. In use, it holds temp reliably through a normal work window, hot up to about 12 hours, cold up to 24, which is exactly what most people need for soup, curry, or oatmeal runs. Let me explain how it feels day to day. The wide mouth makes chunky soups easy to load and easy to scoop back out, and the spoon in the lid is clutch when you forget utensils. No rattling around, it locks in neatly. The seal feels confident in a backpack test with no creeping condensation around the lid after an hour. And if you've ever tried to twist open a vacuum-sealed food jar after a bus ride, you'll appreciate that ENERGIFY's cap tends to crack open without a wrestling match. Nice touch. Now, a couple of quirks. The brand lists both 17-ounce and 24-ounce versions, and while capacity choices are great, the 17-ounce can feel tight if you actually pack a hearty lunch. Think chunky stews or pasta with protein, so sizing up is wise if you're a big lunch human. Also, while the insulation claim matches competitors, the smaller body loses heat faster if you're opening and closing repeatedly. Once you break the seal a few times, you'll notice your soup drop from piping to warm by mid-afternoon. 3. Stanley Classic or Adventure Food Jar. Stanley's the heritage pick, the one your granddad probably took fishing. The current 18-ounce food jar nails the basics. 18/8 stainless steel, double-wall vacuum insulation, leak-proof design, wide mouth, insulated lid that doubles as a cup, and yes, dishwasher safe. It slips in the bags cleanly and feels like gear, not a toy. There's a confidence to the build that's, well, very Stanley. Heat performance is dependable, hot or cold for up to about 12 hours, which lines up with a long workday. The wide mouth makes cleanup with the brush straightforward, and that lid as cup is unexpectedly useful if you share or portion. Pour half, keep half hot. Stanley also carries a lifetime warranty ethos, built for life, which matters if you want something to last years, not months. Here's where it's not perfect. The 18-ounce capacity looks fine on specs, but in practice, it's a just enough jar rather than a big meal jar. Oatmeal plus mix-ins or ramen with extras crowd the space faster than you'd think. Also, some adventure variants include an integrated spork, others don't, so you'll want to check the exact SKU because that little convenience changes the daily experience a lot. One more practical nit. The lid threads are sturdy, but can trap oils and spice residue if you're a chili fiend. Dishwasher helps, but if you hand wash, plan for a quick gasket pull and rinse routine. 2. MAXSO Soup Thermo. Now we're talking everyday performance with thoughtful UX. MAXSO typically ships sets with 17-ounce and 24-ounce options, includes a folding spoon, and built in an air pressure release design that makes opening after a commute way easier. Press, twist, eat. It sounds small, but that detail removes the single most annoying food jar moment. And it works. Insulation hits the sweet spot. Double-wall vacuum design, sweat-proof exterior, and leak-proof seal, and reliable temp retention across a school or workday. The wide mouth helps with chunky soups and rice bowls, and the included carry options in some bundles make it more flexible for travel or kids' lunches. If you batch cook and rotate dishes, MAXSO handles variety without fuss. The spoon, tucked in the lid, is better than average in stiffness, so stirring thicker stews doesn't feel flimsy. And having both 17 and 24 ounces lets you choose Snack Plus or Full Lunch. The 24 ounce is the one to grab if you load protein and carbs and don't want to feel cramped. The leak-proof behavior holds up in a backpack test, with no ring of doom in your bag an hour later. Confidence you'll appreciate on public transit. Cleaning is straightforward. The wide mouth plus removable gasket path means fewer lingering smells. The exterior stays dry thanks to the sweat-proof finish, so you're not wiping down condensation every time you hit colder environments. It's versatile enough for oatmeal in the morning and faux broth at noon. Just preheat with boiling water for 2 minutes and you'll keep food piping longer.
One, Bidakid Insulated Food Jar Set. Here's why Bidakid takes the top spot. The set comes with 2 sizes, roughly 25.4 ounces and 17 ounces, plus folding spoons and carrying bags, and is designed to be fully leak-proof with double-wall vacuum insulation. That 2-jar flexibility is a game changer. Pack soup in the big jar and fruit or yogurt in the small, or run light one day and heavy the next without buying multiple products. It's like having a weekday and weekend mode built in. In use, temperature retention holds up comfortably through a long work window, hot or cold up to about the 12-hour mark. The wide mouth design makes both filling and cleaning painless, and the lids seal cleanly with gaskets that don't feel fussy. The carrying bags sound minor until you juggle a laptop, charger, and keys, sling a jar without worrying about scuffing stainless in your main bag, and you're out the door. The set format also opens up meal planning. The larger jar handles stews, curries, pasta, or noodle soups with toppings, while the smaller jar is perfect for sides or calorie-controlled portions. If you pack for 2 people, the pair equals 1 purchase, 1 aesthetic, and fewer spare parts headaches. It's practical in a way single jars aren't, and that practicality shows up every weekday at 11:58 a.m. when you're starving and happy you packed both. Leak performance is confidence building. With double wall construction and tidy gaskets, the jars stay dry on the outside and behave in backpacks like you want. No oil seep, no broth thread around the rim midway through the day. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.